Alright guys, still on introduction to Adobe XD interface. So let's continue with the introduction. So let's make a few shapes here and I'll show you a few things. Let's make a few shapes here. Alright. Let me just make a few shapes here. Um just make a few shapes here. Alright. Okay. Now when you come to your bottom left, you see three icons here, right? See three icons here. This one here shows the layer, okay? Shows the layers. Every single thing you do on Adobe XD creates a new layer. Now, a layer means this particular rectangle here, it is on its own, okay? Now, when you come here, you see the layer. This circle here, it's on its own. When I type something here, let me type UI class, okay? As you can see, it has created another layer here. So every single thing you do on Adobe XD creates a new layer, because when you want to say you want to adjust this rectangle now, you want to make an adjustment here, your adjustment would only affect this rectangle. Okay, let me change the color so you see. Okay, so it affected only this rectangle. Okay, that is the work of layers. Okay, so everything you do here creates a layer. Okay, every single thing you do here on Adobe XD creates a layer. Okay, let's say I want to add any other thing here. Let me add a rectangle, sorry, a triangle here. As you can see, it has created another layer. So that's how layer works. Okay, now let's come to the first icon here, libraries. Now libraries has to do with saving shapes, tests, colors and videos that you already apply. Let's say this project, okay, I am working with this color. Let me use red. Let's say I am working with, okay, I think that this hey, red, okay. Let's say I am working with this color, all right, and I don't want to start guessing all the time. Are you sure it is this shade? Are you sure it is this shade? So what I will do is this color, when I come to my library here, okay, you see colors here. All I need to do is add this plus sign, tap this plus sign. Once I tap it, the colors here, all right, as you can see, there are two colors here. Do you know why this up one is here? Because of the line color. Once I remove it, okay, let me undo. Control Z or Command Z to undo. Control Z on your PC, on your Windows. Command Z on your Mac. Okay. Now all I need to do is tap this plus sign. Okay. Now you can see the red is already saved. Now let's say the next color I'm using is black. All I need to do is tap on that color and add this plus. Okay, it has saved. Why you have two colors there is because of there's a line color there. I'll come to the line color. So tap on plus, that's saved. The next color here is ash. Okay, ash is the other color in the project. So I'll come here, I tap plus. Okay, now I have my colors set. So let's say probably I want to make another shape. Let's say I want to make another shape. You understand? I want to make another shape here. All I need to do is just come to the color here, tap it, or any color here, tap it, and boom, you have the color there already. So I don't need to come to the fill side to select my colors manually. Okay, now let's come back to, now we are done with the colors, right? The next one is character styles. Okay, this is a test UI class. All right, as you can see here, this text, come over to your right hand side, come to this text side, you see the font style. These are font styles, okay? Any style so you choose, it will change the, hold on, sorry, hold on guys, Command Z, okay? First of all, let me use black. All right, so any fonts I use, let me use this guy. As you can see, the font is changing. The font is changing. Okay, so let's say I want to make use of, so here's where you select fonts, the typography. Okay, let's say I want to make use of this guy, and this is the font I want to use for this project. One of the fonts. All I need to do is come here, and the size here is 47, right? Okay, all I need to do is come over here and tap character style. That's saved. So let me type another thing. Let me type you, okay, let me just type okay, let's see, let me change the font first. So you see, let me change the font. All right, and type, sorry guys, I need to change the font. Let me use this guy. What should I type now? UI app design. Okay, UI app design. Let me use this font. Okay, now since I have my character style saved here, all I need to do is come here and tap. Once I tap on this guy here, it's going to change. You see, right? Command Z. Command Z right there. Command Z right there. Okay, Command Z, okay. All I need to do is tap on this guy. As you can see, it has changed. Okay, let me make use of another style here. Style. Okay, let's use font size 20. But then you need to select to effect the change. Font style 20. Now when I come back to character style, I'll tap this plus sign. It has saved. So once I type another thing, let's say UI UI design, sorry, UI design for you. Okay, all I do is tap and drag to select this guy and come here. Okay, let me change the font first so you see what I'm talking about. Now let me use another font. Let me use another font. Okay, that font right there. All I need to do is come here and tap this guy. Okay, as you can see, it has changed to that particular style. Now same with components. Okay, let me save this guy. Components are shapes, or every other it could be a shape, every other thing that you add in your design. Now let me save this guy component. Alright, saved. Okay, I'll save this guy as a component. Let me come here and save this guy too. Alright guys, so that is it on these guys. Okay, now let's come over to the last icon here. These are plugins. Now plugins are external part of the software, right? That allow you to perform some other changes, to perform some other task in your design. Okay, as you can see, I have a lot of plugins here, design, installed here, right here. So let me make use of this guy as, let me make use of this guy For my example, now the name of this plugin is icon for design. Now when designing, you need a lot of icons to make your design. Let's say I want to impute let's say phone. I need a phone icon. Just search there, it's going to come out. You see a whole lot of icons here. All right, a whole lot of icons here. All right, so anyone you want to use, just tap on it. Let's say I want to make use of this one. Okay, let me look for some other ones to use. A phone. I just tap on it right there. Okay, see, sorry, see right here. See right here, guys. Right here, guys. To enlarge it, hold down your shifts, left click, hold, and drag to enlarge. Okay, so these are plugins. This is what plugins do for you. So I can come here and change the color. Let's say red. Any color of your choice you want to change it to. Okay. Now this is what plugins do for you. These guys here, they have a whole lot of functions. A whole lot of functions. So you really need to download these plugins. I will show you how to download these plugins in the next class. Thank you.